we're going to be doing the cabin filter. The cabin filter sits right behind the glove box, which is right here on the passenger side. You're going to open up the glove box first. On this side, you're going to have a little tab that you're going to pop out, just like that. And this is basically the plunger that allows the door to move down slowly. As you can see now, it kind of just flops. Now that we have that off, there's going to be two tabs at the top of the glove box, one here and one here, that you're going to press in like that. It releases the tabs and you can pull out the entire glove box. Right behind the glove box right here, we're going to have the cabin filter. All you're going to do is pinch these two tabs on the side. There's two on this side as well, but as long as you get one out, you'll be able to slide it out. Right here on the door, it says up. That is the same way that the cabin filter has to go in. The cabin filter does have a direction. You got to make sure that you point it towards the where the arrow says to point it towards. So now that we have that off, you can go ahead and remove the cabin filter, which is right here. And as you can see, there's another arrow that says up. Now this plastic piece is part of the car, and you only have to replace the filter element, which is right here. And on the filter element, you're going to see an airflow arrow. And since it's going up, and the plastics, all of them tell us to go up, make sure you orientate the filter going up. So now that we have everything out, we have the new filter. We're going to make sure that the arrows point the direction where the car wants us to point it towards. You're going to just install it like so. And you got to remember that this plastic piece also has little tabs that you have to put the filter under. So make sure that it's nice and installed properly. So everything's good. Now that it's in, we're going to put it back in opposite to the way we removed it. So we have that in already. Now the tab, remember, it goes up. There's only one way this can go, but just remember up. Put it in, slaps in, ready to go there. That's all set. Now we're going to put the glove box back in. We have these little hooks here that go right there. We're going to make sure those line up. Okay, and you just pop it back in just like that. Okay, the little tabs will go back in, and remember the plunger, you put it back on this side, and that's it. Now you test it by making sure that it opens and closes properly, and you're all done.